In many Igbo communities, this is the season of Iwaji or Iriji, the traditional New Yam festival within Igbo Cosmology. The yam is a symbol of life, sustenance, wealth, and cultural identity. Long revered as the king of crops, yam represents the foundation of existence and the rhythm of agricultural year. Special report on importance of new yams is taken from our studio.
The annual New Yam Festival, celebrated between August and October, marks the end of the farming season and the beginning of the harvest, affirming the crop's enduring spiritual and social significance. Yam's importance is rooted in history. For centuries, it served as the staple food that ensured the survival of Igbo communities, and it was observed that yam transcends its value as mere sustenance, playing a pivotal role in rites of passage, communal ceremonies, and economic exchanges. In traditional Igbo society, a man's success in yam cultivation reflected his wealth, social standing, and industry. Large yam barns were once the ultimate markers of prosperity and masculine achievements. The New Yam Festival is the culmination of these cosmological beliefs. It is a rite of thanksgiving, during which the first harvested yams are offered to the gods and ancestors before any community member may partake. It is also a celebration of renewal, as in many communities, the head of the household or the community leader, Igwe or Eze, breaks the first yam, accompanied by libations and prayers, and sharing yams reinforces bonds of kingship and signals a collective readiness to embrace the new season in harmony.